boys and girls. So today I'm going to show you how I can take my idea of a true story that I remember going to the grocery store and putting my ideas down on my paper and starting to put it as a story in my journal. So go ahead and show you my desk. So at my desk, I've got my journal paper, and I've got my writing folder with my helpful tips. So I just keep this near me so I can remember in case I get stuck on what to do. The instructions kind of guide me and give me some tips on what to do. So far I haven't written anything, so I need to begin with drawing it. So if I remember the order of how this goes, it goes first I draw it, next I add some labels, then I write a sentence and I color it last. Okay, so this sort of process helps me organize my step-by-step how I'm going to start. So since I went to the grocery store, that's what I'm going to draw a picture of in my square here. So before I start, I'm going to write my name and the date at the top, and then I'm going to start to draw. So let me go ahead and start that. Writing my name. And today's date is February, so I write a 2-9-21, February 9th. Okay, so I've got a plan out. I think I'm going to draw a picture of myself here. Then I'm going to put my shopping cart in the middle. Then I'm going to put the cashier over here and over here as well. So where I'm going to draw in the little picture of the birthday cake and how the other people are singing happy birthday. So plan out my drawing. So I'll start off with just a round shape for to start with the head. Now I'm going to add my body parts. I'm trying to think of what I was wearing yesterday. I think I was wearing a shirt, maybe a sweater, I'm not sure what it was. And so I was wearing some pants. Let me give myself some eyes, draw my glasses, and draw my hair. My eyes and a mouth. And my fingers and my shoes down here. So far I have me. So if I remember what I was saying, I was going to draw myself and then my shopping cart. So I think I'm going to have my hand touching the shopping cart. Shopping cart's kind of shaped like a rectangle shape with some round wheels at the bottom. So that's how I'm going to draw it. I'm going to draw the handle. Then I'm going to draw a rectangular shape. I'm going to draw some wheels at the bottom. And that maybe I should draw a picture of my food, my groceries inside. So I think I'll do that. Let's see, I bought some apples yesterday. And draw some round circles for apples. I picked up a sandwich at the deli. So I'm just going to make my sandwich just be like a rectangle shape in there. It's my sandwich. What else did I get? I got apples and sandwich. Oh, I got a basket of blueberries. So let me draw a little box with some little dots in the middle to represent blueberries. Apples, sandwich, blueberries. Okay. So let me think. Drew myself, I drew my shopping cart. Then I have to draw like the checkout lane here and the person checking me out. Okay. So if I remember, there's a table where you're supposed to put your food at. This is the little table you put your food on. And I suppose that's sort of just shaped like a big rectangle. And then there's the other person at the checkout. Might draw another person over here. And this was a woman, and I remember what her hair looked like. She had long black hair. And just going to draw her body and her arm. I'm not going to draw her legs since she's behind the checkout counter. I couldn't see her legs. So that's me, that's my shopping basket, that's the checkout counter, and that's the person. And then over here behind her, the other co-workers at the store were carrying a birthday cake and singing happy birthday to her. So that's what I need to draw next. So remember there were, I'm going to make the birthday cake kind of be a square shape. I remember there were two people, two gentlemen came by with cake and singing happy birthday to her. So far, here are the two people, and that square is going to be the birthday cake that they give her. Let me finish drawing their face and give them a little hair. Oh, I didn't draw them. I didn't draw their shoes yet. Okay. Now they're singing happy birthday to her. So I'm going to show you guys. You can write happy birthday up above and then put it in like a talking bubble up here to show that the words up here are coming from those people down there. So here's a talking bubble. You have people in your story that are saying things. You can make a big round oval shape and like a little pointy part for who's talking, and then write happy birthday in here. Okay, so happy birthday, those two words are not sight words. I might have to sound those out, so I'm going to say them very slowly. Maybe I'll clap out the syllables. Let's see. Happy. Okay, I definitely hear the H for ha and a P for P. So I'm going to make sure I put an H and a P in the word happy. And there's part of my happy birthday that says happy. Now I'm going to try birthday. Birthday. Okay, I know that starts with the B sound. Birthday. Brr. Ooh, I hear a R sound in there, so I need to include a letter R. First comes B, then there's Birth. Oh, th is an interesting sound. You make th by combining T and H together. Birth. And then I need to add on day. Actually, I know how to spell day because that's a sight word. D-A-Y spells day. Okay, so now I've got birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, let me put an exclamation point there because they're really happy and they're not just saying happy birthday. They're saying happy birthday. So I have to put exclamation point in there. Okay, and I think above myself, I'm going to write me. Finish labeling. And I don't know what her name is, but I know in my basket there's food, so I can write food. F-O-O-D. Me, food. Happy birthday to you. They were singing a song for her. All right, so I'm almost finished. I'm going to add a sentence. Let me think of a short, easy sentence that I can add in there. Let's see. I mean, I could make it a big, long story and say, once when I went to the grocery store, I saw the grocery store workers singing happy birthday to the checkout person at the counter, and everyone was happy. and it was really nice. But that's a lot of words. So I'm going to see if I can shorten it down to I went shopping. She had a birthday. Maybe that, I kind of make it shorter. So I went shopping. I know that word by itself is just one letter, I. So I'm going to write I. Okay, I'm going to tip this down so you can see me doing my finger spaces. There we go. I, finger space, went, finger space, shopping. Shopping starts with sh, is S and H put together. Sh, that's O, shop, that's P, and ing is ing. I went shopping. And I'm going to write she has a birthday, or she had a birthday. So I'm going to write capital S. She is a sight word. She had, I can sound that one out. Finger space. Add. Finger space. She had a. She had a, finger space, birthday. Hey, I already wrote birthday up here, so I can just copy what I wrote, my last word in my sentence. Birthday, B-R-T-H-D-A-Y. And there I go. I went shopping. She had a birthday. Me, food, happy birthday. And then I can get out my color crayons and markers and things and color my story. So I hope that was helpful in showing you how to take an idea of a true story that happened and following the step-by-step process, drawing a picture of it, adding a few labels, add a sentence at the end, and then color it last. So I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.